PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 20th of November. You know what? It's a little warmer than we forecast this afternoon. Nobody griping about that, but don't get used to it because another shot of cold air is blowing down the pike late tonight and tomorrow. Let's look out the window at the Skycam shots around the state this afternoon. First off from Demopolis. Nice picture there of the Tom Bigby River. Looking south from the Demopolis Civic Center, they're sitting at 65 at 2 o'clock. How about that with sunshine? Gadsden in the upper 50s. That's the Skycam on top of Lookout Mountain overlooking the city. And down in Shelby County, low 60s on the campus of the University of Montevallo, one of our newer Skycams online down there. Water vapor satellite shot this afternoon. You can see that next shortwave coming down through the upper Midwest. And that will be sharpening up the eastern trough again with cold air dropping into the state tonight. And, yeah, it's cold up there. These are observations at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Below freezing from Chicago north, and that's the air coming down the pike for tomorrow. But again, notice how we have warmed up with low and mid-60s around here. That's awfully nice. Here's the QPF graphic. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about a quarter inch, and I think that's right on the money. And that would be on Monday with a passing front. We don't think it's going to be a big deal, but we'll certainly see some rain from that. We'll look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow, noon on Friday at 500 millibars. And you can see the eastern trough sharpening again. And there's your cold air advection, the 540 thickness line down to Birmingham with a pretty good northerly breeze. We're expecting highs only in the 40s despite a sunny sky. A very blustery day, and boy, a cold night for the high school football games tomorrow night. For the second half of those games, most stadiums will be at the freezing mark. You better dress warmly. Saturday, starting off the weekend, the surface high right over us. That means that we'll be well down in the 20s at daybreak Saturday in the colder valleys, probably hitting the teens. And Sunday, looks like a beautiful day. Sunny will warm up to near 60 on Sunday afternoon. And Monday of next week, here comes that front, and you can see a little band of showers with that. It's not going to rain all day, but it will rain at times, and more than likely the rain will be light. And in the wake of that front, Tuesday of next week, a new surge of cool, dry air, nothing excessively cold. That looks like highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Wednesday of next week, big travel day, the day before Thanksgiving. And again, the good news, we just don't see any major weather problems around the nation. A very quiet, calm pattern. It's cold up north and cool down here in the deep south, but certainly no travel issues for Alabama. Thanksgiving Day. Latest GFS depicting a little rain west of here now from Dallas-Fort Worth up to St. Louis and Memphis, including Little Rock and Shreveport. And again, very cold air to the north. And the model is going to look a little different now as we approach that weekend. So let's take it day by day. Let's look at Friday the 28th. This is the big shopping day, day after Thanksgiving. Very sharp trough with a vortex coming through the base of that thing. And look at here now. All of a sudden, the model is suggesting rain Thanksgiving night into that morning, and a big shot of cold air blowing in here during the day Friday with the chance of the rain tapering off to snow flurries before ending, with temperatures dropping into the maybe 30s during the day. This is a whole new look, and understand this is still technically voodoo country because it is just beyond 7 days. This is a week from tomorrow. And a lot of model madness here, but I'm just showing the latest run. Saturday the 29th, that looks dry. But another impulse is coming at us from the west, and we'll go to Sunday the 30th of November, and big old deep trough with a strong vortex rotating through the base of that thing. And how about a November snowstorm, huh? Oh, yeah. Snow lovers might get woozy when they see this. Surface low moving from the Gulf up to about Savannah. Very low thickness values and a major snowstorm for Alabama. No, we're not forecasting that. This is just model output. You know that. And more than likely, this will be gone on the next run. We all know how this works. But for the snow lovers, just something to think about if by chance that's right. And again, that's a week from Sunday. And at the end of the forecast on the 6th of December, interesting battle between the polar westerlies to the north and a very warm 588 ridge over the Bahamas. and we'd be kind of trapped in between the polar air and the warm air, and that could set the stage for heavy rain if that's right. But look, come on now, we're having a hard time figuring out the weather 8 days in advance. You can pretty much forget being specific out there. As always, we are just peaking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and wonderful evening, and God bless.